Toyota RAV4 2019, opening scene. A sleek 2019 Toyota RAV4 is parked in a scenic outdoor location, with mountains or a city skyline in the background. Narrator, voiceover, introducing the 2019 Toyota RAV4, a bold, stylish, and capable SUV built for adventure. Whether you're navigating city streets or exploring off-road trails, the RAV4 is designed to take you wherever you need to go. Cut to exterior close-up shots of the car's aggressive front grille, LED headlights, and sculpted body lines. Narrator, with a completely redesigned look, the 2019 RAV4 stands out with a rugged, yet sophisticated appearance. The sharp LED headlights and dynamic grille give it a striking road presence, while the aerodynamic body enhances performance and fuel efficiency. Transition to a shot of the car driving smoothly on a highway. Narrator, under the hood, the RAV4 is powered by a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine, delivering 203 horsepower for a responsive and efficient drive. Paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, this SUV offers smooth acceleration and impressive fuel economy up to 30 mpg combined. Scene transitions to the driver pressing a button, activating different drive modes. Narrator, choose your driving experience with selectable drive modes like Sport, Eco, and Normal, adapting to different road conditions with ease. And for those who love adventure, the available all-wheel drive system ensures superior traction on rough terrain. Cut to the interior, a driver and passenger enjoying a comfortable ride, hands on a leather-wrapped steering wheel. Narrator, step inside, and you'll find a spacious, tech-forward cabin designed for comfort and convenience. Premium materials, soft touch surfaces, and an ergonomic layout create a refined driving experience. Focus on the 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system displaying navigation and Apple CarPlay. Narrator, stay connected with the intuitive Antunia Sense 3.0 infotainment system, featuring Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a Wi-Fi hotspot. Whether it's navigation, music, or hands-free calling, everything is at your fingertips. Show a close-up of Toyota's Safety Sense 2.0 features in action: automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, adaptive cruise control. Narrator, safety is a priority in the 2019 RAV4, equipped with Toyota's Safety Sense 2.0. Advanced features like pre-collision detection, lane departure alert, and adaptive cruise control help keep you and your passengers protected. Final shot, the RAV4 parked at a campsite, people unloading gear, enjoying nature. Narrator, wherever life takes you, the 2019 Toyota RAV4 is ready for the journey. Bold, smart, and built for adventure. This is the SUV that redefines capability. Toyota logo appears on screen with tagline, "Let's go places," and scene.